Hey, this is Todd Smith, Apply Pro Specialist with AHW. We're hanging out in Tolono, Illinois. Today we're going to do a complete walk-around of the new 600R series John Deere sprayer. During this walk-around, we'll discuss the solution system upgrades, the all-new cab, and all the technology packed into this new series. Let's go take a look. Starting here at the front of the machine, on the 616R, we have the proven John Deere 9-liter engine. Coupled with twin turbos, we have a power bulge over 400 horsepower. When paired with our 150-gallon fuel tank, we can spray all day long without the need to refuel. With the new larger 90cc hydraulic pump, we're able to maintain proper spray and spread rates with engine speeds as low as 1,350 RPMs, giving us the ability to save both DEF and fuel while reducing cab noise. While we're still at the front of the machine, I'd like to point out some of John Deere's integrated technologies. Above me is the AutoTrack Vision camera. And below, you'll see the AutoTrack RowSense feelers. Early in the season, we can utilize just the AutoTrack Vision camera to see where the rows are. Later in the season, as the crop grows, we can switch to the AutoTrack RowSense feelers. You can add this system in one of 3 configurations: camera only, feelers only, or the combination of both, as you see here on this machine. And moving around the right-hand side of the machine, I'm going to open the easy access ladder. This gives me access to the fuel tank. 150-gallon fuel tank we'd mentioned earlier to get us through those long days, accompanied by the DEF tank to the rear. This tank has a sight gauge as well as a bar graph in the cab. All machines come standard with halogen. Shown here is an upgrade to the ultimate LED lighting package. Tucked in behind the fuel tank here on the right-hand side of the frame is our aftermarket Lincoln Luber system. And this system can help reduce daily maintenance time and help prevent costly failures from lack of lubrication. And just behind the Lincoln Luber is an auxiliary oil cooler. And this helps increase the hydraulic cooling capacity on the machine. And now let's go take a look at the new cab. Now that we're up here in the cab, this Signature Edition comes with the Ultimate Convenience Package, as well as the Ultimate Visibility Package. This comes with a Premium 3.0 or Automation 4.0 activation, and the Active Solution Control System we discussed earlier, BoomTrack Pro 2, and ExactApply. In the Ultimate and Comfort and Convenience Package, you're going to get the heated, ventilated, and massaged Active 2 seat, the refrigerator, and the leather-wrapped steering wheel, as well as 3 foot pegs that have been added, 2 on the sides, and with the addition of the 24-degree pivot seat, there is 1 added to the right. In addition to the upgraded LED lights outside, the Ultimate Visibility Package includes 2 sunshades here in the cab, 1 up front, 1 to the side. And also here on the side, we have an extra right-hand wiper blade. On the new 600R series sprayer, there's 2 cab filtration systems. Category 1 is base, and Category 4 is optional for increased operator protection. Here on the command arm, we have control of all of our various functions right here at our fingertips. And this command arm is now used across the entire application fleet of equipment, including the Heggie sprayer. And right above it, we have our Gen 4 Command Center display. On this display, we can control functions such as auto track, section control, spray star, spread star, and any other John Deere Precision Ag component. And to make it even more convenient, we can control all functions of the machine from the hydro handle. We don't even have to take the hand off to turn sections on, spray. We can even configure buttons to adjust our display run pages and re-engage auto track and a number of functions. With the utilization of customizable buttons, we can make it where you do not even have to take your hand off the control during spraying. Back on our command center, in addition to auto track and row sense, we can also use AutoPath. AutoPath allows us to use lines created by the planter, allowing the sprayer to stay off the rows even better. Another feature of the new cab is the integrated GPS receiver, which is housed in the cab roof. No longer do you have to lock your receiver onto the front of the cab. Helping pull all this technology together is JD Link. Pairing this telematics system with the Gen 4 Command Center allows us to do remote display access and wireless data transfer. Wireless data transfer allows us to send and receive data between the machine and the John Deere Operations Center. In addition, JD Link Alerts sends alerts anytime there is a trouble code active on the machine, allowing the dealership to diagnose a problem before they come out to fix the issue. Taking these alerts to the next level, John Deere now has Expert Alerts. Expert Alerts combine JD Link alerts along with real-time machine data to allow the dealership to potentially fix problems before they become an issue. The combination of all these systems can help eliminate downtime and keep you more productive in the field. And here on the left-hand side of the machine, I want to point out the large 1,600-gallon stainless steel solution tank. We have 3 forms of measuring. 2 tubes, one on the left, one on the front of the tank, along with a digital readout, which can both be read in the cab on the display, as well as a convenient access panel here on the left side at ground level. As part of the automatic solution system, this keypad allows you to do multiple functions. For something as simple as turning on lights, to rinsing the machine, to turning on and loading the machine. Just below our keypad is our 3-inch solution side fill, accompanied by a 2-inch quick fill for our rinse tank. Also on this machine is a factory installed 3-inch front fill, which is an option on these 600R series models. The front fill speeds up time by eliminating having to fold the booms up when loading from the road. Just ahead of our keypad is our main inline pressure strainer. This eliminates a lot of the debris which can cause problems throughout the system. And just downstream of the pressure strainer is our flow meter. This particular model has 2 flow meters since it is a high flow unit. The flow meter can help monitor rates. When we drop below 100 gallon per minute, we have an optional valve we can shut to shut off that second high flow meter. And this orifice valve is used for when we drop to rates below 26 gallon per minute. Behind the solution tank, you see our 170 gallon rinse tank. This tank was moved to the rear to create more room for the larger 1,600 gallon solution tank. On the 1,200 gallon 612R, the rinse tank is still mounted atop the solution tank. And here at the rear of the machine, you'll see the same John Deere hybrid boom that was introduced with the first R-Series sprayer. This boom continues with the easy access of the boom plumbing as well as the added protection for nozzle components. Standard on these machines is a high-flow 5-way nozzle body. On this machine, it has the upgraded John Deere ExactApply nozzle system. This pulse-width modulated system gives us many agronomic benefits, such as helping with droplet size, turn compensation, and individual nozzle control. Along with the ExactApply system comes this key fob. This allows me to check for plug tips and proper spray pattern out of our nozzles. Each nozzle body has a LED light in it, which helps view your spray pattern in low light conditions. Another key feature of ExactApply on these machines is the addition of pressure recirculation. This allows us to prime the boom and return the product to tank, helping eliminate waste. Another upgrade to the John Deere 600R sprayer is the addition of John Deere See and Spray. This system uses cameras coupled with the ExactApply nozzle to spray individual weeds and not spray with the entire boom. New to the 2022 models is the optional Boom Track Pro 2. This optional system enhances spray accuracy by maintaining the boom's position side to side and up and down. This system provides 22% improved efficiency and accuracy compared with previous Boom Track Pro. In addition to a liquid machine, this machine can quickly be converted to a dry fertilizer unit. By the use of the combination valve underneath the chassis, we can quickly disconnect hoses as well as a few electrical connections and easily convert to a year-round machine. Again, this is Todd, Apply Pro Specialist with AHW. Thanks for hanging out with us during this walk-around. If you'd like to learn more about this series, come visit us at one of our many locations or visit us online at AHWLLC.com. And remember, AHW is always here to win. There's work to be done.